Hello, good morning, Leia. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, good morning. I'm Margalea Oloroso. I am 34 years old, single, and I'm residing at Muntinlupa City in Philippines. And I am a fourth family. I am number 4 family, and I have 3 brothers, 3 sisters, and my college degree is Bachelor of Science in Computer Science.
What country your work experience?
I have a work experience is from Singapore and Hong Kong.
Singapore and Hong Kong. So how many years do you work in Singapore?
I worked in Singapore last 2018, and first employer is finished contract, and the second employer is 9 months.
9 months.
Yes.
Okay. And also in Hong Kong, how many years?
From Hong Kong is finished contract and 1 month extension.
Okay. So why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
I just want to work in Hong Kong to help more my mother and to build, make some saving my income for my small business.
Okay. May I know what are your duties with your past employer since you work as a domestic helper?
From Singapore, I work in taking care of elderly, 86 years old, ama, and a second employer in Singapore is I taking care of 3 years old boy that is Indian family.
Okay. How about in Hong Kong?
And from Hong Kong, I taking care of dog. My duties is housework and cooking.
Okay. So in handling, in taking care of the kids, what are the important things that you need to do?
To take care of the kids, need to child minding, tutor, and taking a bath.
Okay.
And need to feed.
Okay.
And
so,
playing with the kids.
Okay. So you mentioned you took care also elderly.
Yes.
Okay. So is this healthy elderly or?
That is a healthy elderly mom, but I need to assist while she walking.
Okay. So you are assisting the elderly also. In cooking. Okay. So what mostly dishes do you cook?
I cook a Chinese food, steamed fish. I can cook sweet and sour pork. I can cook soup. I can make some cold dish.
Okay. So, do you mind sharing room with the kids or elderly in case?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, it's okay to you?
Yes.
Okay. How about if you have a co-helper?
I don't want.
Okay. So, you want to work
alone.
Okay.
Yes.
But you are willing to share room with the kids?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you also promise us not to borrow money with your employer or any lending company once you go back in Hong Kong?
I don't want.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay. So, future message with your employer, please?
To my future employer, I am hardworking, trustworthy, and I'm loving person. I'm looking forward to you, ma'am and sir. I hope looking forward in your and I'm follow your instruction, and thank you.